Top 7 AI tools to boost your online income in 2025. Work smarter, earn faster. Remote Earn Hub. Hi there, remote earners. Welcome back to Remote Earn Hub, where we explore the smartest way to make money online from anywhere in the world. In this video, we are diving into the top 7 AI tools that are transforming how people work and earn in 2025. Whether you are a freelancer, content creators, digital marketers, or just starting your online journey, these AI tools can save you time, automate your works, and boost your income like never before. So, if you want to work smarter, not harder, stay with me till the end because the last tool will blow your mind. Tool number 1, ChatGPT, OpenAI. First up is ChatGPT by OpenAI. You have probably heard of it, but in 2025, it's more powerful than ever. ChatGPT can help you write blog posts, product description, marketing emails, YouTube scripts, yes, like this one, and even generate code. Many freelancers and solopreneurs are using it over content service, manage client emails, and brainstorm ideas, saving hours of work each day. Pro tips of AI assisted writing service on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. It's fast and your client will love the quick turnaround. Tool number 2, Canva AI. Second is Canva AI features. Canva is no longer just a design tool. In 2025, it's a full creative powerhouse with magic design, magic edit, and text to image. You can create stunning visuals, thumbnails, Instagram posts, and even full presents in second. If you are in content creation, social media management, or print on demand, Canva AI helps you create better design faster, which means more client, more sales, more income. Pro tips: start a design gig using Canva AI and deliver professional result even without a design background. Tools number 3, Jasper AI. Next up is Jasper AI. This tool specializes in AI powered marketing content, perfect for ad copy, sales page, email sequences, and more. It's used by digital marketers, agencies, and e-commerce sellers to boost conversation with high quality AI written content. Pro tip: offer sales copywriting or emails marketing services powered by Jasper and charge premium rates. Number 4, tools for Pictory AI. Number 4, we have Pictory AI, a game changer for video creators. It tunes scripts or blog posts into engaging videos with voice over captions and visual automatically. You can create YouTube faceless videos, shorts from reels, TikToks, and client promos without filming anything. Pro tips: start a faceless YouTube channel or sell video content to small business using Petri. It's fast and the quality is top notch. Tool number 5, Descript. Number 5 is Descript. This AI tool lets you edit videos and podcasts just by editing text. Yes, text. It transcribes your audio, removes filter words, adds caption, and lets you cut clips in seconds. If you are into podcasting, video editing, or even courses creation, this tool will save hours or work. Pro tips: offer podcast editing or social media clips creation as a services powered by Descript. Tool number 6, Leonardo AI. Midjourney Tool 6 is all about all images generation. Leonardo AI and Midjourney are powerful tools that can create stunning images, product mockups, art, game assets, and more just from text prompt. If you're into NFTs, digital arts, t-shirt design, or running an ETS shops, these tools are your best friend. Pro tip: use these tools to sell AI generated art, digital products, or even design templates online. Tool number 7, Notion AI. Last but definitely not last, Notion AI. Notion was already a great productivity tools, but now with AI, it helps you organize your workflow, write reports, summarize long documents, brainstorm tasks, and manage projects. If you run a digital business or handle multiple clients, this is your virtual assistant. Pro tips: use Notion AI to manage content, calendar, client work, or even offer productivity templates as a paid digital products. Bonus: stack these tools. Now here is a pro level bonus tip. Don't rely on just one tool, attack them. Imagine this: use ChatGPT to write a script, Pictory AI to turn it into a video, Canvas to design a thumbnail, and Descript to create social clips. That's a full content business powered by AI, and most of it is automated. You can literally build an agent. Alright, so now you know the top 7 AI tools that can absolutely change the way you earn in 2025. But here is the real magic. What if I told you that you could actually start making money with zero investment and let AI do most of the heavy lifting? Yeah, in my next video, I will walk you through 5 AI side hustles that cost nothing to start, require no fancy tech skill, and are perfect for beginners. I am talking about things like letting AI design for you, creating digital products on autopilot, using AI to build income stream that grow while you sleep. If you are ready to take the next step, hit that thumbnail right here. Trust me, if you are even thinking about starting a side hustle this year, you do not want to miss this one. Click now and I will see you there. What this outro achieve? It is a specific benefit of the next video.